All right, time to check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr for your Get Ready weather forecast.
Yeah, Robert, we had a nice day today. You're talking about some systems moving through.
Yeah, you're going to want to get ready for the potential for several rounds.
You're going to get us ready.
Yes, for several rounds of wet weather and maybe white weather as well.
All right.
So a lot to get to in this forecast, folks. So take notes. There'll be a quiz later, maybe. We'll start with a look at everything that we're focusing on over the next 7 days. The first of which, we are watching for several rounds of precip. We're talking about Saturday night and into Sunday, and then another round here Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Some of that could be of the wintry variety. Snow, sleet as well mixed in there. And we're worried about, could there be, with next week's system, accumulating snow? That's the million-dollar question. That's what we're trying to figure out. Heavy traffic right now on Interstate 49 in Lowell, 46 degrees. Things are nice and quiet. And that's the temperature basically across most of northwest Arkansas. We're in the mid-40s. Drake Field, though, already down to 38. You can thank those clear skies for that. Van Buren, things are nice and quiet as well. We're at 49 degrees, winds out of the south, nice and light. So really no problems in the River Valley as well with those temperatures. Upper 40s for the most part. Fort Smith, one of the warmer locations, they're still hanging on to 52. We'll be quiet tonight and quiet tomorrow morning. So if you're worried about taking the kids to maybe soccer practice or something like that, no problems, just increasing clouds as we go through the morning hours. But by late tomorrow afternoon, we bring in the precipitation in the form of rainfall. But as it continues to rain, it could cool the atmosphere a little bit, and we could get some mixing going on, especially Carroll, Madison counties, higher elevations could see some snow mixing in there as well. And then that could enter Benton and Washington County while most of us are asleep. But notice temperatures above freezing, so not worried about any accumulations on the roads, maybe your windshield, maybe the grassy surfaces, if we get a lot of that mixing to happen at all. Good news is most of this gets out of here by mid-morning Sunday. The rest of Sunday looks good. Then we turn our attention to the Tuesday and Wednesday system. I've got two colors here. I've got the temperatures and then the precipitation. We're starting out Tuesday morning at 7 a.m. Rainfall starts to overspread the area late morning, early afternoon, but notice all these greens here. Those are actually deeper into our area, so we're not going to have a lot of cold air to work with. But the models are saying, I don't care about that. It's still going to change the rain over to snow. That could be heavy snow. But I'm not really buying that solution, what the models are saying right now, because it just doesn't make a lot of sense, unfortunately. But as colder air wraps around the backside, we could see a little bit of snow mix in. But it's just, the million-dollar question is, does that snow mix in earlier? And that would make a huge difference in whether we see this much snow or that much snow. And so this is so difficult to forecast winter weather. Right now, we're in this 4 to 5 day window. So we're looking for consistency in the models. Is there confidence it's increasing? Well, not yet. And does the setup make sense? Right now, I would say no, because we don't have a lot of that cold air to change that rain over to snow as it stands right now. As we get deeper into the weekend, we might get more confidence. So we could start to forecast precipitation type totals, exact locations, those sorts of things, which is why you're going to want to check back with us throughout the weekend. Very important. 30s tonight will rebound, upper 40s and maybe some 50s for your Saturday. And there's a look at that extended forecast. Many chances for precipitation, as you see there. Keeping our eye, especially on that Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures around where they should be for this time of the year. Cooler by later next week. River Valley about the same thing. Not worried about the mixing in the River Valley tomorrow, but that Tuesday and Wednesday system, that's really what we're going to keep our eye on. Again, that's why I keep saying you're going to want to check back with us for updates this weekend. Darby right on the money yesterday, forecasting for Johnson, just a degree off. Congratulations to Kimberly O'Connor of Stillwell, Oklahoma. She's going to get the Darby Bybee umbrella. And then tomorrow we're going to take you to Waldron down in Scott County and forecast a temperature of 52. Stay with us. We've got Meredith Malky in the building. She is going to check the sports world after we check these commercial messages.